Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome. Please take a few seconds to hit the subscribe button and help me grow. So in today's video, I'm going to give you recommendations to buy makeup products that are affordable and very beginner friendly. So if you're starting out your makeup journey, you can definitely invest in them, and all of the products will be mentioned in the description box, and all of these are super affordable and you can always find them on sale on either Nykaa or Amazon, so they get even cheaper. So without further ado, let's start the video. To prep your skin, you can use any serum or moisturizer that you use in your nighttime or morning skincare routine. You don't need to buy anything specific. I'm just going to move to primers now. For primers, I have two options. This one is from Nykaa, the Prep Me Up Face Primer, and this is from Wet n Wild. Both of these primers are pretty good. This one is a silicone based primer and this one is a cream based primer. So if you are someone with dry skin, you can go for this primer. Otherwise, I find that this one is a bit better in giving you smooth skin. Now moving to concealers before foundation, because I feel that if you're a beginner, you don't really need to start with the foundation. You can just use a concealer or a BB cream. So my favorite concealer is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This will hide your blemishes and your dark circles pretty well. So yeah, you can definitely go for this one. Now for foundations, again I have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It comes in two sizes. This one is 18 ml while this is 30 ml. So you can buy this one and check if it works for you. Now this foundation is great for people who are within the normal to combination skin range. However, if you are someone with dry skin, you can just mix it up with some facial oil or serum and then you can use this one. Now for dry skin people, another great option is the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. This one is a hydrating foundation, so it won't cling to your dry patches, and you can go for this one. The coverage is pretty great too. Let's move to blushes next. For blush, I have three options. This is a Wet n Wild Ombre Blush. The best part about this blush is that it has shimmery particles. So this blush can act as a highlighter too. You don't need to invest in a highlighter separately. However, you do need to build up with this blush. The pigmentation is not that great, but once you get the color, it's a beautiful color. Then I have the Sugar Mini Blush. This one is the Salmon Superstar shade. They have a lot of shade for medium to dusky to fair skin tones, and the pigmentation also is very good. And then last, I have the Maybelline Cheeky Glow Blush. Again, the pigmentation on this one is great. I know that I've been giving a lot of Maybelline recommendations, but it's only because I feel that Maybelline is a great drugstore company which gives affordable products, and all of these products really work. So that's the only reason that I'm recommending Maybelline products. Moving on to eyeshadows, I would totally recommend you to buy the Nicka K eyeshadow palettes. They come in so many shades and they are super affordable. Like, I got them for around 200 rupees each, and they are always on sale either on Purple or Nykaa. So definitely check these out. Especially the shimmery shades on these one are great. And then another great option is to buy Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. This one is Rose in the Air. This has all the basic shades that you can use to create an entire eyeshadow look. And then they also have these quad options which are again super affordable, and this even has the markings on which shade you should use on your crease, on your eyelid, etc. So if you're a beginner, then this will really help you. For eyeliner, I would recommend you to buy the Lakme Absolute Shine eyeliner. It says shine, but it's a matte eyeliner and it looks really pretty on the eyes, and again, it's very affordable. And if you have a Miniso store near you, and Miniso is even available online now, you can buy an eyeliner from their store. I got this one for around 200. This is a pen eyeliner. So if you are someone who is just starting and has difficulties making a wing eyeliner, this can come in really handy. And the other side has an eyebrow filler and then even an eyebrow spoolie. So this is a great 3-in-1 product. If you can get your hands on this, definitely buy this. And you can even invest in colored kajal pencils. You can use them on your waterline or as your eyeliner. I have these two shades from Nykaa Gel Eyeliner. The pigmentation is these are the glittery variants, but they do transfer a bit on the eyelids. If you can get them on a sale or a discount, then you can go for them. Now plum kajals are my absolute favorite. I have two variants, the all day wear kajal and the angel kohl kajal pencil. This one would not smudge at all. Even if you have oily eyelids or anything, this will stay for the entire day. And this is great if you want to create smoky eye looks. It even has a brush applicator at the back, and Plum has even come up with a lot of different colored kajals, brown, green. There are a lot of shades, so you can even buy them. So for mascara, you can go for any Maybelline mascaras. All of them work pretty good. Or if you can spend a little bit more, then go for the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. This product is absolutely great. It will give you such voluminous long lashes. I would totally recommend you to try this one. For eyebrows, my absolute favorite product is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Eyebrow Pencil. I use it in every video. However, I have just run out of it and I have ordered a new one, but it has not arrived yet. So I'll mention it in the description box. Another great option is the Sugar Arch Rival Eyebrow Pencil. This one is a bit more pigmented. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend you to try the Maybelline one because the room for error is very low in that one. Moving on to highlighters, the first option that I have for you guys is the Maybelline V-Shape Highlighter Stick. It's a beautiful pinkish silverish highlighter. The reason I think it's the best beginner friendly affordable product is because the other side has a contouring stick, and all in all you're getting two products at the price of one. So yeah, definitely must buy. Now if you want to go a little bit extra with your highlighter, then the other two options are the Sugar Mini Highlighter. It's available in many shades, so you can choose the one that you like, and the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Again, it's available in different shades, and this just gives you a great pop of highlighting. These two will give you a great pop of highlighter, while this will give you a natural from within kind of a glow. Now there are a lot of lipsticks available in the market, so I can't really recommend one lipstick. You can try out different affordable lipsticks. However, some of my recommendations are the Miss Claire lip cream. They are a dupe of NYX lip cream. And then of course there are Maybelline lipsticks, Nykaa Soap Creme lipsticks, Lakme 9 to 5. You can pick any that you like. Lipsticks are available in a lot of different prices and formulations as per your needs. Lastly, this is optional, but if you want a setting spray, I have tried a lot of setting spray. However, I have always liked the NYX Dewy setting spray. This I know is a bit pricey, but it lasts a long time. You only need 1 or 2 sprays to cover your entire face. So if you can invest in this one, do buy this. And of course, it's also very important to remove your makeup, and for that I would recommend you to try the Garnier Micellar Water. This one is the oil infused cleansing water, so it will even remove your waterproof makeup. And yes, you should definitely buy this one because it's important to remove your makeup properly so that your skin doesn't clog. Hey guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and you don't need to buy expensive products to create a great makeup look. In fact, I have created this entire look using only drugstore affordable products that I have mentioned in this video. So do let me know if you want a tutorial of this look. And also follow me on Instagram for more such content, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.